I have a buzzing/humming sound in the apartment I just moved in, and it seems to intensify if I turn on a fan or TV. It comes on and off all night, and I haven't slept well in weeks. The apartment managers have no idea what it is because they don't hear it. It seems to only happen at night, which is when I get home, usually around 8, and I start using electricity. How could I direct somebody to check on it?
Hello, my name is. I look forward to helping you. 1. Do any other apartment members hear it in their apartment? 2. Do you hear it all the time and it's louder with fan and TV?
I haven't asked anyone else. The previous tenant still lives in the complex, and they said he never said anything. The manager did say that somebody else in my building had the same issue.
Do you have your own breaker panel in your apartment?
That metal box door with all the main switches.
Yes.
I've had other people come to assure that I'm not crazy and they can hear it too. Haha.
Okay, turn one off and see if noise goes away. Then if it doesn't, turn it back on and repeat with another until it stops.
It's not happening right now. I'll turn something on and see.
So it comes and goes? Try and determine what it is that you turn on to cause it.
I did that last night. I literally tried to test my theory and walked in home late around 11 p.m. with a flashlight. As soon as I turned on the fan in my bedroom, it came on.
It could be a fan motor buzzing.
No. Once I turn off the fan, it's still there. The fan just makes it pulse. Intensifies it. I can distinguish the two sounds. The fan makes the buzz start. When I turn the fan on, it intensifies it and makes it louder and pulsate.
Okay, what are you wanting from me? Are you wanting me to pinpoint it or help you determine where to get help on site?
How to direct someone in my complex where to check on site. Because they're clueless and think I'm crazy.
Fair enough, you need to determine what increases the likelihood of it occurring. Narrow it down as much as possible with repeatability and then get them to hear it. Even try recording it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.